Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the ultimate oscillator indicator. All right. Now, the ultimate oscillator indicator is quite an effective technical indicator that is designed to provide smoother trading signals. Okay. It actually combines a weighted average of short, medium, and long-term stochastic oscillators. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the ultimate oscillator indicator to the chart right away so that we can look at how it works. All right, the ultimate oscillator indicator. So this is how it looks like, right? This indicator tries to minimize false signals, all right, by combining a weighted average of short, medium, and long-term stochastic oscillators. Okay, so as we can see, the indicator is actually it's an oscillator, right? So it shows us potential buy and sell opportunities around oversold and overbought territories. Okay, around oversold and overbought territories, right? And okay, I'm just going to change these settings to give it a fixed value because we can see that there is a 30 level for oversold and there is a 70 level for overbought. I'm just going to set the levels and set the levels so we can see it clearly. Okay, so looking at the indicator, levels above 70 show an overbought condition, all right, and levels below 30 show an oversold condition. So what I just did now, if your indicator is not displaying 0 to 100, okay, you can manually go to the settings and fix the minimum at 0, fix the maximum at 100, so that you can clearly see the overbought and oversold regions, okay, so that you can clearly see those levels, right? So it's quite straightforward. How to use this indicator is quite straightforward. Whenever you have the indicator climb towards the overbought territory, sometimes the indicator might not exactly get into the overbought territory, but when it does, you will know that the reversal is imminent. But even if it gets close to the overbought territory and it starts to come downwards, just know that a reversal is imminent, okay? And same thing for a buy trade. Whenever the indicator gets towards the oversold territory or gets into the oversold territory, whichever case, and starts pointing upwards, you know that you have a buy signal. All right, so whether you are trading a consolidation market or a trending market, just watch out for the indicator going towards overbought and oversold territories. For example, in this consolidation market, you can see when the indicator rose, in this case, it didn't even exactly get to the overbought, just got towards the midpoint, and then it started covering downward. But that's one thing with the consolidation, right? In consolidation market periods, you might find the oscillator moving not always too close to the overbought and oversold territories, okay, in some cases, right? As you can see here, as it got to this point, started coming down, market was selling, started going up, it was buying and coming down. So if you like trading ranging markets, you can actually use this indicator to do that. But in a trending market, let's look for a trending market. In a trending market, that's where you likely have a higher chance of the indicator getting closer to overbought or oversold conditions, right? So in a trending market, if you're in a buy trend, for example, I will recommend only entering trades in the direction of the trend, okay, unless if you're trading a consolidation market. So in this case, we had a buy trend around here, so you just have to watch out for when the indicator is around the midpoint, okay, around the midpoint, because it might not get into the oversold. So whenever the indicator, the ultimate oscillator indicator is around the midpoint and pointing upwards, it's a time to enter a buy. We can see that happened here again, around the midpoint and pointing upwards, it's a time to enter a buy. But then if you find out that the indicator has gotten towards the midpoint and is still trending downwards, then it's possible that a reversal, a bearish reversal is about to start, or a bearish breakout, as what happened here. Okay, so you have to be cautious. You have to be looking out for the price action around your support and resistance zones, and that is the reason why you should always make use of trend lines. You should always make use of your horizontal support and resistance zones, so that if a breakout is happening, you can clearly see it. For example, if you were using a trend line here, you would have noticed this breakout that happened, right? So whenever you are looking at the ultimate oscillator indicator, you're going to be combining the signals you get from here with what you are seeing happening on the chart, right? Around the trend lines, around the support and resistance zones, right? So in this case, all these other places, we had the price respecting the trend lines, right? We had the price respect the trend lines here, 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 and even the support level, right? We had price respecting the support level as the price kept on creating a bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows. But finally, around this point, we had a bearish breakout. So if you were making use of trend lines and support and resistance zones, you would have known that this was not a good place to enter a buy because of the breakout. Okay, now let us see if we can find a good sell trend. Okay, all right, let's work with this. Okay, so you can see here again, despite having a sell trend, the ultimate oscillator indicator was not in the overbought territory. So I don't know why this indicator is scared of entering the overbought, oversold territories, but well, we just have to work with it like that, right? So whenever you have the indicator basically get towards the midpoint and start trending downwards, it's your cue to enter a sell. And then here again, we can see that we had the indicator get towards the midpoint, close to the midpoint, and started trending downwards, another sell. And then here again, we can see at this point, get towards the midpoint and start crossing downwards. So it's another time to enter a sell. So whenever you enter a sell trade, you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and you can actually decide to target support zones for your take profit. Or you can either use other indicators to confirm your exit, or you can use the ultimate oscillator indicator as well to confirm your exit. In the case of a buy, when you enter a buy trade, you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then for your take profit, you can decide to use resistance levels, or you can use other indicators to confirm your exit, or the oscillator, the ultimate oscillator indicator itself. Okay, if you are using the ultimate oscillator indicator, it means you have to watch out for, like I already explained, when the indicator begins to go beyond the midpoint, right? Beyond the midpoint, and going down continuously, then it's time to exit your buy. Then if it is for a sell, it goes above, beyond the midpoint and keep on going up, it's time to exit your sell. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.